Soon after Bill Chayakli votes, ZionRoots. Don't know.
Aye, Jamaica. Ash inna the paper. Yeah, man. Inna the silence, me hear Jah voice. Whisper freedom, whisper choice. The roots grow deep, the wings spread wide. We journey long, but Jah a guide. Me sit on the hillside, watch sunrise. Golden rays open me eyes. Me feel earth beat under my feet. Truth and love in the heart repeat. The system mash up minds with fear, but in my soul me keep it clear. Them can't touch what Jah create. Spirit strong, now carry weight. We live in times of shadow play, but me say light always find way. Babylon crumble in due season. Truth arise, Jah give the reason. Your roots of freedom, wings of light. Lift we high through darkest night. Nah bow, nah bend, we stay true. Jah carry we through and through. Me say love at the real weapon. Cut deeper than any gun. Me chant Riddim fi heal the pain. Wash we soul like summer rain. Every heartbeat a revolution. Every breath a contribution. We not silent, we not small. Each voice a part of Jah call. Them say we weak, them say we lost, but me spirit pay no cost. We born fi live, born fi shine. We root and branch of the divine. Close your eyes, feel the breeze. Wisdom float like ancient seas. The earth a teach, the sky a sing. Freedom fly on eagle wing. Now let illusion pull you down. Lift your heart above the ground. Jah kingdom now made of gold. It's love and truth we hold. Your roots of freedom, wings of light. Lift we high through darkest nights. Nah bow, nah bend, we stay true. Jah carry we through and through. Me granny say, hold the line. Every struggle got your sign. Me say yes, me take that path. Even when storm bring wrath. Unity the power we need. One heart, one love, one seed. Me chant for the people, chant for the land. All are we part of Jahan. So when you feel lost in confusion, remember Zion not illusion. Roots deep, wings wide. In Jah we forever abide.
Zion not move. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Zion not move. We wake up before the city scream. Before Babylon starts sell me dream. Concrete fields and metal vine. Still Jah light are the first sign. Skyscraper shadow cover me head, but me spirit rise like sunrise red. Them lock we in system cage, but me chant break chain. Me burn them page. Them build the tower, sell the lie. Say freedom real, but only the sky. Them program me mind with flashy light, but me vision sharp in Jah sight. Me now walk like sheep in a them lane. Me heart beat drum, me chant fi gain. From dust to flame, from root to sky. Me see the truth, me live, me fly. Lion's breath in a iron jungle. Roll fi truth, never silent, never humble. Me nah bow, me nah stumble. Jah guide me step through the thunder rumble. Lion's breath, me soul erupt. Babylon fall like volcano. no corrupt. Me chant higher, me chant wise. Me fire rise, till freedom rise. Them promise peace with plastic smile, but we see the poison in them file. Them raise machines and silence tree. We chant for the roots, me chant for we. Me rather barefoot inna the rain than sit in gold and wear them chain. Me rather poor with wisdom bright than blind in riches lose your light. You talk to me, you them every day. Tell them look deep, find your way. The system train fi make them stray, but me voice a torch, me show them way. Me nah get caught in a shiny scheme. Me soul nah selfie, digital dream. Them want control, them want me tame, but me call me name. Me light me flame. Lion's breath in a iron jungle. Roll for truth, never silent, never humble. Me nah bow, me nah stumble. Jah guide me step through the thunder rumble. Lion's breath, the soul erupt. Babylon fall like volcano corrupt. Me chant higher, me chant wise. Me fire rise till freedom rise. Me see the cameras, see the drones, see the abstract me like stones, but me chanting code, me chanting sign. Me spirit rebel in Jah design. Me lighting sense.
Ay, 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 Kingston Kush inna me pocket. Yeah, man. Under the moonlight glow, me hear Jah whisper. Child, your heart stronger than iron blister. Now let them break your mind, stand tall. Your roots deep, your spirit never fall. Me rise with the sun pa my face. Sitting nice, faith me find your grace. Them build wall fi divide and rule, but me heart now fit Babylon school. Me eyes open wide like the eagle flight. Me see the tricks them hide in plain sight. Talk of freedom, but a mental cage, controlled pan every book and page. But me spirit dance in a rain, wash away the chains of pain. The river of truth flow through me vein, heal me soul again and again. Oh, river of truth, guide me way. Mountain of strength, make me stay. Babylon crumble when we unite. Jah light shine pure and bright. Bread them push poison out we food and air, but Mama Earth still make we care. Herb in a hand, chant pan lip. Roots man can't lose the grip. Me hear the call from ancient drum. The ancestors said freedom come. Each beat a step toward liberation. We build up we own foundation. System mash up mind with fear, but we not deaf, we still here. Nature teach the higher way. We not stray, we not sway. Stand pon the rock, feel the power. We the roots, we the flower. Every star in the sky remind Jah design not be confined. Brethren, sistren, hold your place. Babylon a fall in disgrace. We vision clear like river stream. We build Zion from we dream. Port river of truth, guide me way. Mountain of strength, make me stay. Babylon crumble when we unite. Jah light shine pure and bright. Them say we small but we infinite. Every rebel heart a dynamite. Me carry the fire in me chest. Now rest till we manifest. Jah plan bigger than politics. Love stronger than them dirty tricks. Me say heal your mind, heal your soul. The revolution fully whole. Nah need no crown pon me head. Me royalty can't be misled. Inna the storm, me stand secure. Jah blessing always pure. River of truth flow on and on. Mountain of strength, make we strong. From Zion Hill to City Street, the rebel heart now face defeat. Right, rise up now, hold the flame. Babylon can't win this game. We roots deep, we future bright. In a Jah love, we find the light. Wait.
Ay, ay, ay. Rasta man is so high. Yeah, man, Zion. Roots, let's go. The chains them forward so tight, but Jah light mash them in a night. Every link break one by one. Freedom shine like the rising sun. Them think them like we in the system, but Jah already right with wisdom. Them wave false flag on eye, but me I see through the lie. Concrete city cold and grey, but roots rebel every day. Them said rules fi keep we down, but Zion spirit wear the crown. Me hear the cries from long before. Ancestors knock on the door. Them blood still not decile. Fuel the fire when we tile. Chains break, spirits rise. See the truth in Jah eyes. Them can't hold we soul hostage. We free long before them bondage. Them distract with the glitter bright, but we focus on righteous fight. Politicians smile, but me see snake. Me not buy the lie, nah take the bait. From Africa to every shore, we chant for justice more and more. Them take we history, twist the tail, but we roots too deep fi fail. Me chant for the youth in the streets, for the mothers who feel defeat. Lift up your head, remember truth. We future bright, powered by youth. Riddim a guide me through the fire. Lift me up from Makamaya. Babylon tower soon a fall. Jah kingdom rise over all. We nah go silent, nah retreat. Each heartbeat sound like drum beat. Chains crumble under fate. We dance for Zion, celebrate. Chains break, spirits rise. See the truth in Jah eyes. Them can't hold we soul hostage. We free long before them bondage. Me say one love, one mission. No compromise, no submission. We take back what them thief. We build hope from every grief. The warriors come in many forms. Some quiet, some like storm, but each one hold the key. Fi break down the slavery. Me say keep your mind sharp like blade. Babylon trick fi invade, but truth shine brighter than gold. A story of freedom forever told. Chains gone, we spirit fly. Lift up your voice to the sky. Zion call we by name. Forever free, forever flame. We people rise, not turn back. We journey strong, we stay on track. Chains break, but we still strong. In a Jah light, we belong.
Ay, ay, ay. Break the false Babylon. Free them, free for the people. Them be lie walls, but Jah be liar. Them light false flames, but Jah is the fire. Me voice echo through city and all. Babylon walls, them off fall. Me walk through streets of iron and smoke. Me carry Jah light, me never broke. System heavy on every side, but me stand firm, me nah hide. Them send message fi keep we down, push the
youth fi wear the crown of slavery in a modern dress. But me chant truth, me nah stress. Camera watching every move, but me step with righteous groove. Them can record, them can spy, but Jah watch them from the sky. Babylon walls must fall. Hear the rebel call, hear the rebel call. We rise up tall, we break the chain. Freedom song in a pouring rain. Them sell the poison in a pretty box. The mind control, lock the flocks. But me say wake up, open your eyes. See the trap, see the disguise. Me not take no job for peace. Me trust Jah, me find release. Them push fear like it's a cure, but truth stand firm, ever pure. Every street corner, me hear it cry. Voices rising to the sky. We tired of lie, we tired of pain. Time for wash them out like rain. Them cyborg dreams not fit we soul. We not born fit take control. Organic art, organic mind. We live free, not get signed. Look on nature, look on tree. Them show the path for you and me. Roots deep, leaves reach high. We part of Jah truth, can't deny. Babylon walls must fall. Hear the rebel call, hear the rebel call. We rise up tall, we break the chain. Freedom song in a pouring rain. Me chant for the elder, chant for youth. Me chant for the world, fi know the truth. Me not stop till justice reign, till the wicked wash down the drain. No matter how long the road, me carry Jah heavy load. Through valley low, mountain steep, Jah keep me safe, Jah keep me deep. So light your torch and stand beside. This revolution can't hide. Babylon walls may look strong, but truth and love last longer long. Babylon walls must fall. Yes, me said them have to fall.
ZionRoots, ZionRoots. Me walk the path of Jah's guidance. Me feel the peace, me feel the reliance. Through the struggles, me keep me stride. Me know Jah's love will never hide. Me trust in the future, me trust in the plan. Me know me purpose, me know the stand. Jah lead me steps, me walk with grace. Me know me place in this blessed space. Jah's guidance, me walk in a truth. Me trust the road, me trust the youth. Jah's guidance, me walk with pride. Me feel the light a shine inside. Jah's guidance, me heart a whole. Me walk with Jah, me trust me soul. Me know the road me walk is long, but with Jah's guidance, me grow strong. Through the storms and through the rain, me trust Jah's power, me feel no pain. Me trust in journey, me trust in the way. Me know Jah's love will guide me every day. Me see the beauty, me see the rise. Me feel the truth, me open me eyes. Jah's guidance, me walk in a truth. Me trust the road, me trust the youth. Jah's guidance, me walk with pride. Me feel the light a shine inside. Jah's guidance, me heart a whole. Me walk with Jah, me trust me soul. Me feel the power in every step. Me trust the journey, me no need fi fret. Me walk with Jah, me trust the way. Me know the love will carry me each day. Me walk in Jah's light, me see the way. Me trust the future, me trust the play. Just guidance, me follow the signs. Me feel the blessings, me walk in lines. Just guidance, me walk in a truth. Me trust the road, me trust the youth. Just guidance, me walk with pride. Me feel the light a shine inside. Just guidance, me heart a whole. Me walk with Jah, me trust me soul. Me walk with Jah, me feel the way. Me trust Jah's love, me rise each day.
Yeah, man, give me this spliff. The rhythm a rebel, the bass a roar. We knock on Babylon door. No silence can mute this cry. Freedom chant till the day we die. Me rise up with the morning sun. Mission start can be done. Them set trap in every lane, but Jah guide we through the pain. Me feel the heartbeat of the street. Each step mash down the seat. Them sell we plastic up in store, but we seek Jah love and more. We not bow to the false kings. We not dance to puppet strings. True deeper than any scheme. We hold fast to the Zion dream. Riddim of resistance shake the ground. Every heartbeat, every sound. Feed the people, feed the fight. Rhythm blaze through the night. Riddim of resistance shake the ground. Every heartbeat, every sound. Feed the people, feed the fight. Rhythm blaze through the night. Babylon tighten them control, but me people got soul. We read between the lines, we see the traps and signs. We not just victims of the state, we architects of Jah fate. Them push poison in the air, but me people still a care. Roots deep in the dirt, from every struggle birth new worth. We not go silent, we not stop. We chant down every crooked cop. Them build walls but we build bridges, from valley low to mountain ridges. The rhythm beat like warrior drum, call the masses a freedom come. This music it can't be chained, it flow like blood in every vein. Resistance live in every chord, a battle cry, feed the Lord. With rhythm of resistance shake the ground. Every heartbeat, every sound. Feed the people, feed the fight. Rhythm blaze through the night. Me say power to the roots crew. Jah light guide what we do. System collapse when truth unfold. Rebel heart strong and bold. We rewrite history with song. Show the youth where them belong. Freedom ink on every page. This rhythm a fuel the rage. From the shackles to the stage, my people rise out a cage. Now surrender, now retreat. We drum the message in the street. So keep it blazing, keep it raw. Rhythm of resistance evermore. Even when the night get cold, the fire in a we never hold. Zion call, we answer clear. Rhythm rise, them can't interfere. Unity in every beat. Rebel music now accept defeat.
ZionRoots. Them try to cool the fire, but it still a burn. Them try to lock the light, but just sun return. Babylon system full of tricks and lies, but the righteous rise. We open we eyes. Them send them soldiers soldier, them pass them law. Them preach corruption, them hide the flaw. But truth can't hide and love can't dead. The people strong, we move ahead. Me see the youth, them stand up tall. Them tired of the struggle, tired of the fall. Them want to live, them want to free. Them chant to Jah, eternity. Jah fire keep blazing, never fade away. Burn down the wicked, cleanse the day. The system weak, them can't hold we back. We step in light, we walk the track. Jah fire keep blazing, shine it bright. Through the darkness, through the fight. The lion roar, the drum them sound. We not back down, we stand for ground. Them pies in the food, them pies in the mind. Them try to keep we lost and blind. But knowledge rise, the people see. We take the path, we must be free. The ghetto cry, the street them call. The leaders sell out them heart, them soul. But the warrior strong, the heart still pure. We hold the faith, we endure. We hear the drum, we hear the call. We see the writing upon the wall. Jah kingdom come, it soon reveal. The prophecy real, it can't conceal. Jah fire keep blazing, never fade away. Burn down the wicked, cleanse the day. The system weak, them can't hold we back. We step in light, we walk the track. Jah fire keep blazing, shine it bright. Through the darkness, through the fight. The lion roar, the drum them sound. We not back down, we stand for ground. The wicked run when them hear the sound. The thunder roll, the rain come down. The trumpet blow, the battle near. We chant the psalms, we have no fear. We lift with voice, we praise the king. We chant the song, the victory bring. The journey long, but we stay strong. The fire blaze, it can't be wrong. We come to teach, we come to show. The seed them plant, the love must grow. No more hatred, no more fight. Just righteousness, just Jah light. Them plan destruction, them deal in greed. Them plan corruption, them watch it breed.
Selassie, I the Almighty Jah. Her body key, we unlock the heart. We say one Jah, two Jah, the vibes can't done. Real Rastafire, brighter than the sun. With me, gorilla glue me and stick to Jah way. The herb body part, me nah go astray. The plant where Jah give, it a bless the land. So me hold a meditation, chalice in a me and roll up the mango push. Me feel so sweet. Herb body power we make life complete. From the green ganja fields to the city lights. The herb bring peace, make the future bright. Green gold, the treasure where Jah provide. The healing of the world make me feel alive. One puff, two puff, me spirit is sore. Babylon can't stop the herb, me say nevermore. Them call it illegal, but Jah call it pure. Ganja for the healing, the people's cure. Me light up the Jah carry me mind a elevate. Me sing Selassie, I the vibes can't let. The Babylon system a crumble it weak. But Rasta man strong with the herb we speak. Me say Jah know the plan for uplift mankind. With the ganja in a me palm, the truth me find. Fire burn Babylon, herbs still a grow. The green gold a shine, it a make Jah love show. From the mountain peaks to the valley low. The herb a feel everyone, the vibes them glow. This your herb which Jah provide, it deeper than the sea, higher than the sky. Love it, respect it, blaze it with pride. Green gold, the treasure where Jah provide. The healing of the world make me feel alive. One puff, two puff, me spirit is sore. Babylon can't stop the herb, me say nevermore. Me chant it loud, me chant it clear. Herb are the remedy fi chase all fear. The green gold shine brighter than before. Rasta man bless me say evermore.
chain them heavy, the pain them real. Babylon system a spin the wheel. Them take the land, them take the sea. Them lock we down, but we spirit free. Me see the struggle in the ghetto youth eyes. Them fed up of the wicked and the government lies. Mama I cry, Papa I fight, but me know say just soon bring the light. Them promise we change, but them still deceive. The people a suffer, the people a grieve. Me chant it loud, me chant it clear. The time for freedom a drawing near. Freedom can't wait, we need it now. We rise up strong, we take the vow. Babylon tremble, Babylon shake. Jah people rise, the chain them break. Freedom can't wait, the time can't done. We march till justice touch the sun. The trumpet sound, the fire blaze. We chant for Zion all we days. The rich get richer, the poor get poor. Them close the gate, them lock the door. Them build them tower, them build them fence. But the revolution I need no expense. Me tell the ghetto youth them fi hold them ground. Jah give we the strength, we can't back down. No more waiting, no more fear. We mash up the system, we make it clear. The drum them beat, the people move. We chant the words, we set the groove. The lion roar, the thunder crash. We burn the wicked, we burn the cash. Freedom can't wait, we need it now. We rise up strong, we take the vow. Babylon tremble, Babylon shake. Jah people rise, the chain them break. Freedom can't wait, the time can't done. We march till justice touch the sun. The trumpet sound, the fire blaze. We chant for Zion all we days. We not beg for mercy, we not ask for chance. We take the fight, we take the stance. The people suffer, the people cry. We rise up strong, we reach the sky. The battlefield hot, but Jah guide me way. We chant in the night, we chant in the day. We not turn back, we not slow down. We tear the walls, we burn the crown. Them a try fi silence, them a try fi hide. But Jah truth is strong, it can't divide. Me see the vision, me hear the call. The righteous rise.
Yo, check it, some boy are running on the yard. Real vibes of one in our scene. Yeah, Rastafari bless. Light up the fire. Pass the chalice, make a burn it down. Me roll up a spliff with the high-grade ganja. Bubble cushion on me palm, that a real charmer. From the hills of Westmoreland to the streets of Kingston, them a grow the good herb for the meditation strong. Puff, pass, make the vibes them last. Me not touch no crack, not deal with no trash. The lamb's bread sweet, it a mash up me head. One draw from the chalice, me spirit get fed. Smoke the herb and feel irie. Cali cushion purple as a flyway. Spliffing on me and Jah guide me. One love, we there for the Almighty. Them can't stop the Rasta man smoke the Cali weed. The skunk on me tongue are the healing indeed. OG Kush make me eyes them bleed, but me still a chant psalms, me soul a lead. Me pre-Babylon them not understand. Ganja feed the people a just command. Blue dream and the cheese, me love the sensation. Make me heart beat fast with the elevation. Selassie I vibes, it a rising on me soul. The ganja plant make me feel old. Roll it up, light it up, blaze it on the hill. Jazz herb, me treasure, me spirit it feel. Yo star, I'm a joke thing this. Ganja the healing of the nation, you hear me? You can't fight the herb. It's our culture, it's our future. Smoke the herb and feel irie. Cali cushion purple as a flyway. Spliffing on me and she a roll 1, 2. She said the white widow make her love feel true. Them call me Mr. Green, me a ganja king. With me cup of sesame, and me start to sing. Them a fight the herb, but them can't lock it off. Government a run, but them system a fraud. Jah give we the herb, fi heal the land. So me puff up the cloud with me Rasta band. Blaze it up, I make the smoke touch the sky. Real Rasta man can't ever deny. The herb, the plant, it's a blessing fi we. So we chant down Babylon and live free.
Just love, me feel the power. Me trust in Jah each minute, each hour. Me heart full of joy, me soul full of peace. Me know just love will never cease. Me walk through the trials, me walk through the test. Me trust in Jah, me know me blessed. Just love a shine, me feel the light. Me walk through the darkness, me feel the might. Just love a guide me, me trust the way. It leads me through the night, it guides me each day. Me know just love, I never fail. In every storm, me will prevail. Just love, me feel the rise. Me trust in Jah, me see the skies. Just love, me heart a whole. Me walk in just like me trust me soul. Just love, me feel the fire. Me walk with Jah, me never tire. Just love, me know the truth. Me know the power, me know the proof. Me trust in just love, me know the truth. Me feel the power, me feel the youth. Just love a guide me through the way. Me trust in Jah, me rise each day. Me walk with Jah, me walk in peace. Me know just love will never cease. Me trust in the love, me trust in the light. Just love a guide me through the fight. Me feel Jah's presence, me know it's near. Me walk with Jah, me feel no fear. Just love, me feel the rise. Me trust in Jah, me see the skies. Just love, me heart a whole. Me walk in just like me trust me soul. Just love, me feel the fire. Me walk with Jah, me never tire. Just love, me know the truth. Me know the power, me know the proof. Just love, me heart a glow. Me trust in Jah, me ready fi flow. Just love, me feel the grace. Me trust in Jah, me know me place.
carry prayer up to Jalan. The hillside calm, but my soul I ignite. The herb bring the vibes, make me spirit feel light. Me say every drum me take me feel Jah power. With the Baba OG, me rise like the tower. The ganja and me guide, make me meditation deep. The sacred smoke bless me, me soul it keep. Sacred smoke, it arise to Jah. Blaze the fire, I make the whole world spa. Herb from the mountain, pure and divine. Rasta man, Chant Selassie, I one time. Them a call it the devil plant, but them blind. The herb a Jah gift fi heal mankind. With the northern lights, me lift me mind. The ganja and the treasure where Babylon can't find. Pass the chalice round, make the circle strong. With Jah inna me heart, me can't go wrong. The vibes elevate me, feel it so pure. Herb are the healer of that, me sure. Roll up the spliff, light it inna the night. The smoke it a glow under Jah moonlight. Every Rasta know the herb are the way. It guide with steps every night, every day. Sacred smoke it arise to Jah. Blaze the fire, I make the whole world spa. Herb from the mountain, pure and divine. Rasta man, Chant Selassie, I one time. The sacred smoke bless me heart feel strong. The herb and me guide all day long. One love, one heart, Jah vibes ignite. Blaze the sacred smoke, make the fire burn bright. Zion vibes eternal, the love can't end. The fire of Jah, the world we mend. The struggle's heavy, but Jah our friend. The blessings of Zion we comprehend. The roots run deep like a mighty tree. The love of Jah strong, it set we free. We chant the psalms for the world to see. The vibes of Zion for eternity. From the ghetto lanes to the hills above, we spread Jah wisdom and Jah pure love. The righteous rise like a peaceful dove. We make the world know Jah reigns above. Zion vibes eternal, it can't decay. Jah light a guide me every day. From the darkest night to the morning ray. Rasta chant I, the lion a stay. The vibes of Zion no follow no trend. The mission of love can't twist or bend. We burn Babylon, the judgment descend. We stand with Jah light till the very end. The system a crumble, them can't prevail. The love of Jah strong, it never fail. We set the ship sail with Jah as we trail. Zion vibes are the wind, we fill we sail. The people rejoice when we chant Jah name. The fire burn bright, the world can't tame. We rise for the truth, no bow to shame. Zion vibes eternal, we proclaim. Zion vibes eternal, it can't decay. Jah light a guide me every day. From the darkest night to the morning ray. Rasta chant I, the lion a stay. Zion vibes eternal, the love can't end. The fire of Jah, the world we mend. The struggle's heavy, but Jah our friend.
Zion we comprehend. The roots run deep like a mighty tree. The love of Jah strong, it set we free. We chant the psalms for the world to see. The vibes of Zion for eternity. From the ghetto lanes to the hills above, we spread Jah wisdom and Jah pure love. The righteous rise like a peaceful dove. We make the world know Jah reigns above. Zion vibes eternal, it can't decay. Jah light a guide me every day.
Zion roads, district and roads. Me roots and culture, me never forget. Me stand for the truth, me place me bet. The struggles me face, me rise from the past. Me know me purpose, me know me steadfast. Me walk in a rhythm, me walk in a time. Me know me roots, me know the climb. Me feel the power of me ancestry. Me carry the torch, me set the legacy. Roots and culture, me feel the rise. Me walk in a jazz like me see the skies. Roots and culture, me sing the song. Me carry the message, me walk strong. Roots and culture, me embrace the way. Me trust in Jah, me trust the play. Me know me ancestors fought for the land. Me stand tall, me take a stand. Me walk with the elders, me walk with pride. Me know me culture, I never hide. Me roots run deep, me heart full of truth. Me trust in Jah, me trust the youth. Me carry the message, me carry the sound. Me walk in the light, me stand on the ground. Roots and culture, me feel the rise. Me walk in a jazz like me see the skies. Roots and culture, me sing the song. Me carry the message, me walk strong. Roots and culture, me embrace the way. Me trust in Jah, me trust the play. Me know me roots, me know me soul. Me feel the power, me feel the goal. Me walk with me brothers, me walk with me sisters. Me trust in Jah's love, me know the whispers. Me roots run deep, me carry the flame. Me sing for the people, me sing for the name. Me know me purpose, me know me place. Me walk in Jah's light, me feel the grace. Roots and culture, me feel the rise. Me walk in a jazz like me see the skies. Roots and culture, me sing this song. Me carry the message, me walk strong. Roots and culture, me embrace the way. Me trust in Jah, me trust the play. Culture, me life's embrace. Me trust in Jah, me know me grace. Roots and culture, me life's embrace. Me trust in Jah. Me born in a the ghetto where the youth them cry, where the sky stay dark and the bullets fly. Mama work hard but the stress can't done. Every day she pray for see the morning sun. Me see my brethren fall, me see my sister weep. Me see the government them promise but them can't keep. The system set for make we feel, but Jah give me strength, me can't go jail. Me hold the vision, me hold the dream. The mountain high, but Jah light gleam. We climb the heights, we take the stand. We left the ghetto, we reach Zion land. From the ghetto to the mountain, we rise up high. No chain can hold we touch the sky. We march with Jah, we move so free. The righteous path, the destiny. From
From the ghetto to the mountain, we break the wall. The wicked tremble, them spirit fall. We step in light, we take we place. We chant Jah name, we feel the grace. We see the youth, them search for hope. Them lost in the struggle, them tied with rope. The media blind them, the leaders lie, but the truth can't hide it, reach the sky. We rise up strong, we not turn back. We chant the psalms, we walk the track. The fire burn, the wicked flee. We reach the peak, we live so free. No more sufferation, no more pain. No more youth are dead in vain. The sun a shine pan Zion Hill. We find the peace, we heart stay still. From the ghetto to the mountain, we rise up high. No chain can hold we touch the sky. We march with Jah, we move so free. The righteous path, the destiny. From the ghetto to the mountain, we break the wall. The wicked tremble, them spirit fall. We step in light, we take we place. We chant Jah name, we feel the grace. We leave the struggle, we leave the fight. We find Jah love, we walk in light. The trumpet sound, the angels sing. The mountain call, we hear the ring. We chant for peace, we chant for love. We rise like eagle, fly above. We know the pain, but know it cease. We touch the sky, we live in peace. Me tell me people just hold the faith. No matter how long, no matter how late. The mountain high, but Jah will guide. We walk together side by side. The ghetto dark, but the future bright. The fire burn, the truth ignite. The journey long, but the price so great. We reach the peak, we change with faith. ZionRoots, man. The road them rough, the time them hard, but me still a match, me not discard. The wicked rise, but them can't win. Jah guide me steps, me move within. Them try to break we, them set the trap. Them tell bare lies, them twist the map. But me heart strong, my soul can't shake. The warrior spirit, it never fake. Me see the sufferation in the street. Me hear the cries, me feel the heat. The ghetto youth, them struggle to eat, but still them stand up, them not retreat. Stand firm like a soldier on the battlefield. No bow to Babylon, truth reveal. We strong like a lion, we never kneel. Jah army rise, we make them feel. Stand firm like a soldier, never run. The battle hot, but Jah kingdom come. We hold the line, we chant with song. The righteous march, the wicked done. Me tell them straight, me nah go fold. Me walk with Jah, me heart can't cold. Them push oppression, them spread the fear, but righteousness, I rule right here. Me see them leaders, them love the gold. Them sell out youth for riches untold. Them promise peace, but bring the war. But Babylon can't reach too far. We burn corruption, we burn the lies. We look them straight in them eyes. We nah go stop, we nah go bend. We fight for justice till the end. Stand firm like a soldier on the battlefield. No bow to Babylon, truth reveal. We strong like a lion, we never kneel. Jah army rise, we make them feel. Stand firm like a soldier, never run. The battle hot, but Jah kingdom come. We hold the line, we chant with song. The righteous march, the wicked done. Me hear the drum, me hear the call. The walls of Babylon soon a fall. The trumpet sound, the judgment near. We move with faith, we have no fear. step like David, we take the sling. We fight for truth, we fight for king. Them weapons weak, them can't defeat. The fire blaze, the wicked retreat. From the ghetto hills to Africa plains, the warriors rise, the lion reigns. We chant the psalms, we hold the light. We march for freedom, day and night. No more struggle.
ZionRoots. The trumpet sound, the whistle blow. Zion train a roll, we have to go. No delay, no time to wait. The righteous board before it late. We see the wicked, them a run and hide. Them can't step in at the holy ride. Them sell them soul for gold and fame, but the train a stop for Babylon game. Me call the youth, me call the wise. Me tell them open up them eyes. The journey long, the mountain steep, but Jah a guide, so we not slip. Zion train forward, we can't turn back. The engine strong, the wheels on track. Fire blaze, the trumpet call. The wicked flee, them kingdom fall. Zion train forward, the light so bright. The journey tough, but we win the fight. No more chains, no more lies. Jah people rise, we touch the skies. Me see the system try to hold we down. Them want to rule the ghetto town. Them poison food, them poison air. Them spread corruption everywhere. But me not listen, me not stay. The Zion train come night and day. We burn the greed, we burn the hate. We step in as Zion, we change we fate. The children sing, the elders pray. The spirit move in righteous way. The road was rough, the path was wide, but now we reach, we step inside. Zion train forward, we can't turn back. The engine strong, the wheels on track. Fire blaze, the trumpet call. The wicked flee, them kingdom fall. Zion train forward, the light so bright. The journey tough, but we win the fight. No more chains, no more lies. Jah people rise, we touch the skies. We chant the psalms, we chant the truth. We free the mind of every youth. No more war, no more fight. Jah guide we steps in our delight. We make the fire ever burn. The tables turn, the fools will learn. The Zion gates, them open wide. The righteous step inside. The train can't stop. Them think them run the place, but them lost in a time. Fake sound boy can't step on me line. Jaja light make the real one shine. Babylon system can't stop me climb. The streets hot, the fire burn high. You them hungry, me hear them cry. Politician talk but appear damn lie. Still me rise up, me not comply. Them set up the ghetto, fi watch we fall. Build up them system, fi keep we small. But Rasta can't bow, we stand up tall. Still I see I call, we break the wall. Them push illusion, but me stand firm. Teach the youth truth, make them learn. Fire fi burn, can't make it turn. Rasta trod forward, me not concern. Me say real warrior never bow. Inna the battlefield, me stand up now. Babylon shake when the thunder sound.
lightning flash, wicked man drown. Me tell them already, me tell them again. No more corruption, no more pretend. Rasta rise up, this at the end. Jaja govern, message we send. Judgment day come, them can't run. Wicked heart get beat like drum. Real sound play till the morning sun. Jaja rise up, no place for none. Babylon trembling, them can't believe. The power of Jah, it a never deceive. The wicked get weak, them start to grieve. Rasta treading, the righteous achieve. Sound boy, judgment can't run. Jah are the truth, the fire done. No more lies, no place for none. The wicked fall, the righteous come. Sound boy, judgment, turn up the bass. Real reggae music can't get replaced. From yard to the world, it a run the race. Jaja bless it, full up the place. Me step in at the dance, the rhythm ignite. Pure energy, reggae blaze bright. Lyric sharp like a warrior fight. One drop beat, the whole place unite. Me say culture strong, me can't dilute. Them can't silence the real youth. Babylon try but them can't dispute. Rasta philosophy deep like root. Me looking at the future, me see the sign. The youth them awake, them can't stay blind. Revolution sound, it a redefine. Jah guidance, ever divine. Me chant them down like a lion roar. From the rooftop to the ghetto floor. Me bring the truth, me keep it sure. One love strong, me spirit pure. Them try to break we, but we stand firm. Righteous warrior, we never turn. The system corrupt, them full of lie. But Jah light shine, it never die. Them send them army, them send them force. But me hold me ground, me stay the course. The wicked tremble, them can't compete. Jah shield me soul, me can't get defeat. Me chant the psalms, me hold the line. The fire blaze, me spirit shine. Them build them wall, but it can't last. We chant it down, them kingdom crash. Righteous warrior, we stand up tall. Them can't stop we, them can't make we fall. Jah give me power, Jah give me might. We chant the truth, we fight the fight. Righteous warrior, me never bow. The lion roar, them feel it now. We hold the faith, we keep it strong. The battle fierce, but Jah belong. The wicked plan, them scheme so deep. Them lurk in shadow, them try to creep. But me see them moves, me know them game. Them can't win, them full of shame. Me hold me staff, me walk with pride. Me trod the valley, me can't hide. Jah army rise, Jah fire burn. We take the stand, we take the turn. No retreat, no surrender. We burn them lies, we burn pretender. The youth them wake, the time is now. We chant for justice, take the vow. Righteous warrior, we stand up tall. Them can't stop we, them can't make we fall. Jah give me power, Jah give me might. We chant the truth, we fight the fight. Righteous warrior, me never bow. The lion roar, them feel it now. We hold the faith, we keep it strong. The battle fierce, but Jah belong. We rise up high, we rise above. We move with light, we move with love. The Babylon system can't hold we down. We chant it out, we take the crown. The mountains shake, the rivers run. We see the sign, the time can't done. The youth them march, them voice so loud. We lift the banner, we make Jah proud. Them bring oppression, them bring the war. Them try feel like we, them take it far. But we not fear, we know the way. The righteous chant can't fade away. We see the signs, me hear the call.